Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the ChatGPT. Kung alamin natin kung ano ba yung ChatGPT, it's my first time to go to the website. It's my first time to research about it. So samahan nyo ako guys, okay? Let's go! So here you go, chat muna natin ano yung ChatGPT. So let's just read about it first. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence. Okay. Wait a minute. It's still loading up. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot. Okay, so chatbot siya developed by OpenAI and launched in November 2022. So last year lang. It is built on top of OpenAI's GPT 3.5. Di pa ako familiar nito guys ha. Okay, so ito yung pinakaunang website developed OpenAI. So I think this is the website. Let's just try to go here first. All right. It's openai.com. Introducing ChatGPT. We've trained a model called ChatGPT which interacts in a conversational way. The dialogue format makes it possible for ChatGPT to answer follow-up questions, admit its mistakes, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests. Alright, so ito yung website nila. May mga few examples and guidelines on how to use it. Pero we're just gonna make an account, create an account. I think here, natin yan. It will open up in the new tab. Sabi ito, log in with your OpenAI account to continue. Since wala pa tayong login account, so let's just click here, sign up. Just wait for it to load. And then email address. I would usually go to. Okay, let's try using our Google account and sign in. We got ito, bossjaktvsales@gmail.com. We're gonna use that one. Please stand by while we are checking your browser. So let's just wait for it to load. Kung ano ba yung nandito ngayon guys. OpenAI still loading up. Yun. Tell us about you. Okay, Boss Jake. Okay, continue. Oy, verify yung number. So nandito yung number. Lagay na number natin guys. 554. Ito yung code natin guys. 2D. Alright. Yeah, we're logged in already. Yep, so we are already here. So this is a free research preview. Our goal is to be external feedback to learn from reverse and blah blah. While we have safeguards in the places. Okay, next natin. How to collect data. Conversation may be reviewed by our AI trainers to improve our system. Please don't share any sensitive information for in your conversation. Let's do that. We'd love your feedback. The system blah blah blah. Share your feedback. Okay, done. So I think this is the whole dashboard of the entire ChatGPT. So examples, I explain quantum computing in simple terms. Okay, so ito yung may nakalagay na new chat history is available. We work with this. Okay, sige. Okay, how do I make? Okay, sige. Capabilities, limitations, questions, generate correct information. Okay, so I think parang this platform will let you ask any questions and to have parang conversation with an AI. So let's just see. So let's try to click here sa upgrade to pro. So $20. Wait, sorry. Let's just compute this one first. Kung magkano. So free plan available when demand is low. Standard response speed, regular model updates, free plan. Okay, ChatGPT Plus $20 per month. So today is $20 times, let's try 55. What if 55 yung peso right now? So that's a total of 1,100 pesos per month. So available when demand is high, faster response speed, priority. I'm not gonna upgrade yet. Pero wala pa. Hindi pa available ang chat eh. Alright. Okay, here. I think here. It's already here sa baba. So what if we are going to search LeBron James? Or Kobe Bryant lang. Boom, boom. Kobe Bryant. Kobe Bryant, alright. It's like Google. American basketball, blah, 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 while spent tayo 20 years. Alright. Okay. Okay. It's like Google. Pero in a parang nice way kasi nga if you're going to have a research about someone, so you can just basically go here and then copy this one. It's easier, unlike in Google. If you're going to type in Google sa Kobe Bryant, you're going to type in Kobe Bryant sa Google, you will see about him with pictures and the Wikipedia and all of that stuff. So hindi siya, I think for me, as a first search pa lang, hindi siya as accurate as and as presented or explained very well dito sa ChatGPT, which is now, by the way, I think I'm going to like this platform already. Okay, that's nice. It's a good start. Next, what if we're going to ask for who won the Grammy Award? I don't know. Hindi ko alam ba't type ko to 2022. Okay. So it's easier for you to research on things, no? Yun. Okay. Good. So, mga silly questions. When is the end of the world? There is no scientific evidence. Okay. Are you alive? Can you locate my location? So far, so good. Maganda siya. And direct to the point yung answers niya, which is good. So, yeah, I think that's it for now, with the ChatGPT or yung website nila sa OpenAI. And yeah, I think so far nagustuhan ko yung how fast the AI can reply to you. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing some videos for the next days to come about this, and tingnan natin kung ano ba yung mga exciting part na makikita pa natin. So that's it for this episode, guys. Thank you for coming, and see you sa mga next episode natin dito sa Boss Jake TV. Let's go!